Bola fam, welcome to Family Day Out Part 1.
Hi! Hello, Pa. I was like, oh my God.
There's one thing I know about family. I've always lost many things.
Say it again. Louder, louder.
Yeah, you heard me.
Pa. Bye bye. This is my vape on the table. Where's Ezra?
Here. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Hi. Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa. Papa.
Fia fa atau mo ala fone sau Tolo imatautu Malepeni sunlalai ngulinu Etaitu pito yambia Siyo untau langa manaya
Because it's in the same.
Lefet ulafimai lesami Ota umafetu ilelangi Wasulungi
How was the ride here?
It was very good, very good. Just had a headache.
How was the ride here?
That was good.
Was the ride here good?
Yeah, very good. I love it.
Oh, it was
This is my first
very
time.
pula malo.
Talofa.
Talofa. Hi. Konnichiwa.
Tangi mai lewati Olo otumai imatapele Ai omai vamasia upele Tato oto ai o pese pese.
Alright, we're here in the Piula Pool. This is one of the best places here in Sāmoa. Actually, I was born here, but never been here before. This is my first time. And yeah, I'll leave there.
Tino atu isisifo Olo otumai ai le casino Mauna moli
Ezra. Ezra. Where's the boat? Oh, the volleyball pros. Oh. Bolavina. Oh my god. So nice. Now that's a good Okay, got it. Baru gonna fasting live lunchtime, and this is our feed.
I say my sauces. They're still cooking the sauces.
Fasting aku dulu ni aku. Iva and Neri coming to have lunch. Hi. Rate the pool, 1 to 10.
9.
9. How do you rate the pool? 2 to 10.
Sorry, 1 to 10. Solid 5.
5.
So that means it's alright.
Rate the pool 1 to 10. Yeah.
Probably a 10.
10.
It'll be 8.5
8.
because of the rocks.
Rate the pool 1 to 10.
9.
9. Okay. Rate it from 1 to 10.
10,000.
10,000.
10,000.
Is it your first time there?
No, maybe my third time.
Guys, it's really good. I suggest if you come to Samoa, come to the
Piula Cave Pools.
Piula Cave Pools. It's really good. And look at the view
And the church.
and the church. Lotu Wesele and us. See ya.
Vai mai Paulo, le quer